Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever time of day you're watching. Thank you for joining me. Well, I got a dash cam. If you guys know what happened to the last Jeep, you'll understand why I got this one. Let me show you.
First off, this is not a sponsored video. I did all my own research, and let me tell you, with the amount of dash cams there are on the market, it was a headache trying to pick just one. But this is the one I finally decided on, and so far, I've been very happy with it. I'll recommend some other dash cams that I've researched and liked as well. The links for those will be down in the description if you don't like this one or you want some other features. So let me tell you some things about it. But first, I need to read through the instruction manual. Now that I know everything, here's what you need to know. This is the MIOFIVE 4K dashcam. It can record in 4K as well as 2K and 1080p. I don't know why you would want to lower the resolution, but you have those options. The image sensor inside is a Sony IMX415, which from all the research I've done is a very good sensor. And not all dash cams use the best up-to-date sensors and image processing from what I've noticed. As you could tell, there's no SD card slot. That's because it has 64 gigs of built-in eMMC storage. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's more convenient and reliable. Remember, you only need footage of when or if something happens, not the previous 2 hours you waited in traffic and did nothing. In addition to the built-in storage, it also has built-in GPS monitoring and displays real-time data. To access all of that information, including the driving records, you'll connect the dashcam through the MIOFIVE app using the 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal from the dashcam.
Alright, so to install this dash cam, you're provided with a super long micro USB cable and a little cigarette lighter adapter thingy. That's a cigarette lighter adapter. I don't want to use that wire. And I don't want to use up a 12 volt source because there's other things I want to add. And I don't want it just to running a camera. And who wants a wire just dangling around or running in the way? So, if you are planning on getting a dash cam or you already have a dash cam, I have a solution for you.
You need to get this, a dashcam power adapter. And it's not just for dash cams, you can also use it for your radar detectors. I'm talking to you SRT and Trackhawk owners. Opening the box, you get the power adapter itself and 2 different 1-foot USB cables. One mini USB and one micro USB, which you can use for the dashcam. But I'm going to use this instead.
But you got to take off these plastic pieces to get this in there. So, let's take it off.
To remove the mirror covers, first you'll want to remove this upper cover by pressing in on the top of the sides where the seam is. You'll see the tabs that are holding it in as soon as I get it off. Now, to remove the lower cover, you'll want to unlock the entire mirror from the windshield by twisting the entire thing to the right, and it should pop off. Here's a look inside of the cover. There's 2 plastic tabs that lock into the metal mirror bracket. You'll want to pull these apart to remove the cover from that bracket. But I'm warning you now, be careful and try not to break these tabs. Unplug the mirror harness, plug in the USB power adapter into the mirror, then the harness into the power adapter, and that's it. Now you have USB power. You can now reattach the mirror to the windshield and put the lower cover back on. But I'm not going to do that just yet. I want to make a slight modification right here. I'm going to Dremel a little slot for the micro USB cable to comfortably sit in. But you don't have to do this. There is just enough room for the cable to fit in between the windshield and the plastic cover. After a little bit of dremeling, I could put everything back on, connect the dash cam, and power it on.
Hi, MIOFIVE is here for you.
So I forgot what I read and immediately attached the dash cam to the windshield. Per the instructions, you're supposed to use the static sticker in between the dash cam and the windshield. Maybe I shouldn't have read the manual so fast. But it's already attached, and I know all you want to see the video quality of this dash cam, so let me show that to you. I haven't caught anything exciting just yet, but here's some daytime and nighttime footage. Audio is muted for copyright reasons. You guys should understand why, but yeah. Alright, well that's it. The dash cam is installed, it's working. If you were expecting me to review it, I wasn't going to. And with that, thanks for watching.